Hi, I'm Jimbo Bernaus. I'm a lettering artist and co-founder of Xiaoben, together with my partner in crime, Thea. I also work for agencies and brands all over the world, such as Carlsberg, Booking, and Olalu. I feel the need to create something new every day. To do so, I get inspired by pretty streets, some nice music, and color palettes. I combine all these references to come up with letters intertwined with illustrations, creating dynamic and colorful compositions. Lettering is the art of drawing letter shapes and giving them attitude using analog or digital media. In the process, I look for new styles and explore with different brushes and organic textures on Procreate, which has become my favorite tool. Playing with styles and touch-ups provides words with a unique feeling and allows me to communicate moods and grab attention. That's why working creatively is like having superpowers. In this Domestika course, you will design custom letters playing with lights and shadows on Procreate. For the final project, you will design a cover for your Spotify playlist made out of beautiful lettering from sketches to final touch-ups. We will start with an introduction to lettering, and we also gonna create our mood board. Then I'll show you how to make sketches and transfer your idea from paper to Procreate. We'll move on to our main sketch. We will decide the color palette and talk about texture brushes. Oh, and by the way, there's a brush set waiting for you. Next, I'll explain you how to work on each letter in different styles for your final project. Finally, we'll learn how to add different elements, lights, and textures to our composition, as well as how to export and share your project with the world. By the end of this course, you will be able to communicate a message using letters surrounded by illustrations. To follow me, you will just need Procreate and the aim to have fun with the pen. Come with me and bring your letters to life with Procreate.